Hello everyone. In this video we will be working on radical division. So I pulled a radical division problem from the homework. 3 radical 15 divided by 4 radical 48. So what can we do? So first, there's not much that we can do except for to try and simplify radical 48. So in order to simplify radical 48, let's list some factors of 48. We have 12 and 4. 4 being a perfect square. That's a good choice to use. I also have 6 and 8. Another one that you may not have thought of would be 24 and 2. But that's not too good, so we're going to use 12 and 4. So when we split this up, splitting up our radical, 3 radical 15 and 4 times radical 4 times radical 12. The square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes 3 radical 15 over 4 times 2 times radical 12. So this ends up becoming 3 radical 15 divided by 8 radical 12. Now remember, with radical division, we can combine a radical that's 2 radicals that are being divided by each other. And if you notice, 15 divided by 12, there's a common factor that they share. They share a common factor of 3. So we can actually split up radical 15 and radical 12 into corresponding factors. So we're going to split radical 15 into radical 3 and radical 5. And we're going to split radical 12 into radical 3 and radical 4. And so we have radical 3 divided by radical 3. Now the rule with dividing radicals says that we can place them under one radical. So 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. So we'd have radical 1. We know the square root of 1 is 1. So these 3's effectively cancel out. And so we're left with 3 radical 5 divided by 8 radical 4. Now we know the square root of 4 is 2 like we did earlier. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 radical 5 divided by 8 times 4. Whoops, not 4. I made a little bit of a mistake there. Three radical 5 divided by 8 times 2. And so we're left with 3 radical 5 divided by 16. And this is our final answer.